Hi guys, so today I'm back with another makeup look. This is the look that you can wear during Durga Puja or Navratras. Very easy. So let's just get started. I'm starting with a clean face and applying a little bit of moisturizer, which is important. Next, I'll straight move to my eyes and applying Face's Ultime Pro Kajal on my upper lash line, like very close to my lash line, and smudging it out with the help of my finger. So this kajal will act as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply next. I'm using Maybelline's Nudes palette and using this matte brown color, and will apply it in the crease. So I'm going to use this as a transition color and blending out the black kajal that I applied. Next, I'm going to use this beautiful Colorbar palette and this beautiful plum color right here. I'm going to pack it on my eyelids, on the entire lid. I'll build the color as much as possible. This is really pretty color, very wearable during the day. Next, I'm going to take that red color, the rusty red color, and put it in my crease, like right above the crease, and blend it in. I like to place colors like bright colors in the crease. Now I'm taking my blending brush and just blending the colors together. I'm taking this matte black from Maybelline the Nudes palette and applying it on the outer V of my eyes. I'm packing the color there. I don't really want to diffuse it much, so you will see me packing the color again and again. I want the outer V to look a little bit smokier. Now I'm going ahead and blending the colors again because blending is crucial. Next, I'm going back to the Nudes palette and taking this beautiful bronze color and placing it on the center of the eyelids. So since this is a festival inspired makeup look, there has to be some kind of shimmer, right? Next, I'm moving on to lining my eyes, and I'm using the Face's Ultime Pro Kajal, and with the help of a very thin small brush, I'm applying it on my lash line, like in the form of a winged liner. So Kajal is good if you don't really want a glossy eyeliner. So I'm working neatly and slowly and trying to create a beautiful wing, like sharp wing. You take your time because once you mess up the wing, the eye makeup is like ruined. So I'm taking the same kajal pencil and applying it on the lower lash line and tight lining also, which is important. Going back to the Nudes palette, taking this creamy color and applying it right below my brow bone, just to highlight that area. Now for my foundation, I'm using Colorbar full covered stick and applying it all over my face. This is a creamy product and really good for this upcoming season when the weather has turned like a little cold. So this blends really well. It provides like sheer to medium coverage. Make sure to blend it on your neck as well. Next, I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. This shade is just like half a shade lighter than my complexion. It works really well under the eyes. It doesn't make the area look grey or, ashy. So I'm just blending the concealer first, this shade first. Then I'll go ahead and apply a lighter shade and blend it to highlight the under eye area. I'm using the shade Medium, just dotting it right under my eyes and blending it out. I don't really want too much highlight going on. I want this makeup to be like appropriate for daytime as well. Next, I'm setting the concealer with the help of Colorbar loose powder. I'm going to bake it for a while. Next, I'm taking Face's loose powder and applying it all over my face just to set the foundation because it was creamy and I don't really want it to move around. So I'm just dusting off the powder from the under eye area because it has done enough baking. If I leave it any longer, it will make my under eye area really dry. Now I'm taking this Maybelline's blush palette and taking the plum color and blending it on my cheeks. I really like this color. Blending it more, we don't want blotchy or spotty blush. Next I'm doing reverse contouring because I want the makeup to look cleaner, so I'm just applying it the same loose powder right below right where I want the makeup to look neat. See, it's a small trick but it definitely makes a lot of difference. Moving on to my brows, which is like my favorite part, I'm using L'Oreal's brow pomade in the shade Ebony. And filling my brows, I always make like hair-like strokes. I don't really like block or boxy brows, so I just mimic the growth of my hair, you know, upward strokes, downward strokes, that's all I do. And then with the help of a spoolie, I brush the product in place. That's all. The brows are done. You can see it makes a huge difference in the makeup. Next, I'm taking the same plum shade and applying it on the lower lash line, blending the kajal. So it balances the eye look. Applying a color on your lower lash line. Now I'm moving on to my lips. I'm using a neutral color today. So this is from L'Oreal. The shade is Mahogany Studs. This is like one of my favorite neutral colors, and it's a matte lipstick, so it works really well for daytime. I'm applying a little bit of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is a really good mascara if you're looking for volume. I'm applying it on lower lash line as well. Lastly, I'm going back to that same blush palette from Maybelline and applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, like on the cheekbones, on the tip of the nose. Makeup look is complete. So here is the look, and it is very easy to do and it looks really wearable. You can change the lip color if you want to. So this video was done in collaboration with lookadora.com. I'll have all the products mentioned in the video listed in the description box. Do check them out and use my code to get ₹300 off on any purchase worth 1000 and above. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.